Hello everyone! In this video, I will make a precious product, liquid gold. That's what clarified butter ghee is called. It is incredibly healthy and even has healing properties. In this video, I will prepare it and show you some unusual ways to use ghee for body care. To make ghee, you will need 1 kilogram of butter and 1 teaspoon each of various spices. I used rosemary, black pepper, dried garlic, cumin, and curry leaves. I cut the butter into cubes and transfer it to a saucepan. I put it on the stove over medium heat. When foam appears, I lower the heat. I stir frequently and cook until the butter becomes clear. This is a very ancient recipe that came to us from India. Ghee is pure milk fat without milk solids, casein, or lactose. That's why it's suitable for people who are lactose intolerant. It is made by rendering out these milk solids. Ghee can be stored at room temperature, it doesn't have an expiration date, and in fact it's even considered the opposite. The older the ghee, the more beneficial and valuable it is. You can fry with ghee because it has a high smoke point, 250 degrees compared to 177 for regular butter. Then I let the ghee cool a bit and strain it through cheesecloth. Ghee is very healthy. It enhances brain function, normalizes liver activity, improves the nervous system, protects against stress, and helps increase high-density cholesterol rather than low-density cholesterol. It relieves headaches, rejuvenates, and heals the body. It also rejuvenates the skin and is suitable for massage. I pour the spices onto cheesecloth, tie it up to make a pouch. I lower it into the jar with the ghee. The spices add a subtle aroma to the ghee and also improve its digestibility. Of course, ghee is mainly used for cooking. It is used for frying, added to various dishes, to rice, potatoes, and so on. I also use it for frying. Nothing burns when you cook with it. But today, I'll also show some interesting ways to use it for body care and also for strengthening and maintaining health. The first thing I want to show is, of course, a hair mask. In Ayurveda, this is called oiling the hair. When we pour a stream of warm oil onto the scalp, it spreads over the skin, and then, with the help of a comb, the oil distributes itself along the length of the hair. A gentle scalp massage is done for 10 minutes. The mask should be left on for 2 hours and then washed off with warm water and shampoo. The oiling procedure with ghee improves blood circulation on the scalp, accelerates hair growth, soothes and nourishes the skin, smooths the hair, and prevents split ends. Ghee can also be used as a face mask. To do this, you need to mix 1 teaspoon of ghee with 1 teaspoon of water. Apply to the face for 30 minutes. Then rinse off with water and pat your face dry with a paper towel. This mask is especially suitable for dry skin as well as for normal skin during the off-season in winter. Such a mask reduces wrinkles, eliminates flakiness, and decreases blackheads and breakouts. The next recipe is for a body cream. For this, you need to mix ghee and milk in equal proportions. And add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil. Apply to clean skin after washing, leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with plain water and pat the skin dry with a towel. This body mask makes the skin incredibly smooth, soft, and nourishes it, especially during the cold season. The next procedure is oiling the navel. This procedure is called Nabhi Chikitsa in Ayurveda. The navel massage is performed while lying down before bedtime. There are 3 methods of oiling the navel. The first one, Nabhi Purana. Warm oil is dripped onto the navel. When the indentation is filled, the oil is kept for 45 minutes. The navel is a wonderful source of nutrients from oils and plants applied to this area. Nabhi basti. Warm oil is poured into a well of dough located in the navel area. Holds for 20 minutes. Oiling the navel improves the condition in case of gynecological problems and urological diseases. For problems with the intestines, stomach, and prolapse of internal organs. Nabhi lepa. The herbal paste is applied to the buttock area for 20 to 30 minutes. I had a spice mix. A simpler method of oiling is to use a cotton pad soaked in ghee oil. To do this, place the disc on your navel for a couple of minutes and then rub the oil clockwise for 15 minutes before going to bed. Oiling the eyes. You can simply put a drop of ghee in each eye, move your eyes in a circular motion, and wipe off the excess. This procedure improves vision. It removes floaters in front of the eyes and eliminates fine wrinkles around the eyes. It's especially good to apply ghee oil to the eyes after working at the computer. After applying ghee oil to the eyes, you should avoid straining your eyes for a while and give them some rest. There is also an oiling method called netra tarpana. This is when oil is poured into wells made of dough and eye exercises are also performed. After 15 to 20 minutes, the excess oil is poured out and removed with a towel. Oiling the feet, chest, and joints. For coughs, acute respiratory infections, asthma, colds, as well as joint pain, it is beneficial to apply warm ghee oil to these areas at night. After oiling the feet, 2 pairs of socks are put on. In case of a cold, you can instill warm ghee oil into the nose. For sore throat, it is helpful to lubricate the tonsils with a mixture of ghee oil, turmeric, and ginger. For headaches, you can apply warm ghee oil to your temples, palms, and feet before bed. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will definitely use ghee oil in your life, whether in cooking, in self-care, or both. Let me know which method of oiling the body you like the most and what you want to try. Turn on notifications, give a like, and see you in the next video.